Hello and welcome, Partner Trailblazers. Partner Learning Camp, or PLC, is the premier learning destination to help you expand your capabilities to meet customer needs now and in the future. Use this guide to help you learn how to fully utilize the new features in Partner Learning Camp. Let's get started. First, access Partner Learning Camp by simply logging into the Partner community and clicking on the Education tab. Then, click Get Started. In Partner Learning Camp, you can self-enroll in courses and curricula curated just for partners, work at your own pace, and track your learning history, all in one place. Use the Browse Catalog feature to find all Partner Learning Camp courses and curricula. Now, let's check out the accredited professional curriculum. To begin, click on the curriculum card to see all the related courses and enroll. To get started on your courses, head over to the Home tab, where all your enrolled courses and curriculum are waiting for you. Want to review the great content in your completed courses? It's right here, under Completed Courses and Activities, found on the Home tab. By clicking on a completed course, you can view and access all of the course's assignments, resources, videos, and content. Once you have completed your accredited professional prep curriculum, you are then ready to earn your accredited professional credential. From the Credentials tab, toggle to My Credentials to see in-progress and complete credentials, or toggle to All Credentials to see all available credentials in the catalog. You can search by keyword or the filters to find a specific accredited professional exam. Each accredited professional credential has an exam guide and related prep curriculum so that you will know how to prepare before registering for the exam. When you click Register, you will be taken to Examity, our exam proctoring partner. This is where you can complete your registration profile and start the exam. Be sure to follow all proctoring guidelines. We recommend that you do not click the Register button until you are truly ready to start taking the exam. Let's head over to the Profile tab to check out your learner profile, which consists of your skills, recommended courses, recommended credentials, and achievements. Achievements include your course and curricula completions and your earned accredited professional credentials. At the top of your learner profile, you will see your name, learner role, and partner firm. Click the pencil to edit your learner role. The skill categories, skills, and recommended courses will change based on your selection. Enroll in a course or register for an accredited professional exam from this list. Want to go beyond courses and curricula? Check out our enablement events, live, virtual, and in-person events offering product deep dives, release note reviews, academies, workshops, and office hours, where you can ask questions, expand your knowledge, and so much more. Finally, if you have any questions, you can always refer to partner support. Thanks for watching. Now you can get started on the path to always be learning.